Ever felt your living room was a wrestling ring with a tiny, very determined opponent? Or the grocery store a stage for a dramatic performance? You're not alone. Here are genius hacks and tips to survive toddler tantrums and keep your cool, all in just 2 minutes. First, distraction. Toddlers have short attention spans. If a tantrum is brewing, redirect them. Point out a funny dog, an airplane in the sky, or ask a silly question. It's a quick and simple reset for their overwhelming emotions. Next, offer limited choices. Toddlers crave control. Instead of a command like, "Get your shoes," try asking, "Do you want the blue shoes or the red shoes?" This empowers them, gives them a sense of control, and prevents a power struggle. Third, validate their feelings. Get on their level, make eye contact, and name the emotion for them. Simply saying, "I know you're sad we have to leave the park," shows them you understand. Feeling heard is often half the battle. Fourth, create a calm down corner. This isn't a punitive timeout. It's a cozy, safe space with a soft toy or a book where they can go to regulate their big feelings. It teaches them how to find their own calm. Fifth, try belly breathing together. Make it a simple game. Let's smell the pretty flower as you breathe in deeply. And now, blow out the birthday candle as you breathe out slowly. It's a powerful tool you can both use anywhere. When you're at a park, become a nature detective. Turn their focus from frustration to finding a cool leaf or a fuzzy caterpillar. In the store, make them your shopping assistant. Give them a simple job, like holding the bananas or finding the bread. A fun task prevents a meltdown. Remember, be patient with them and with yourself. You've got this. If these tips helped, like and subscribe for more. See you next time.